Have you ever paused and asked yourself, what really exists? Not just physically, but fundamentally? Welcome to the mysterious world of ontology and metaphysics, where philosophy dares to ask the deepest questions about existence itself. At the heart of philosophy lies ontology, the study of being. It seeks to answer the ultimate question, what is? Is reality made up solely of physical objects? Or are there intangible entities, like numbers, ideas, or even souls, that possess a different kind of existence? Ontology builds the framework for how we understand everything, from the table in your room to the idea of truth. Then comes metaphysics, often seen as ontology's broader sibling. It doesn't just ask what exists, but why it exists the way it does. Metaphysics tackles mind-bending questions about time, causality, possibility, and necessity. It explores whether the universe is deterministic or if free will truly exists, whether time flows or is an illusion, and what it means for something to be real. Through history, thinkers like Plato, Aristotle, Descartes, and Heidegger have offered radically different answers. Plato saw the physical world as a shadow of a higher realm of forms, perfect, eternal ideas that shape everything. Descartes emphasized the certainty of the thinking self, while modern ontologists grapple with questions about virtual realities, consciousness, and quantum mechanics. Why does this matter today? Because these ancient inquiries shape how we view science, religion, ethics, and even personal identity. Understanding ontology helps you navigate life with philosophical depth. It's like upgrading your mind to a higher resolution reality. So next time you wonder whether numbers exist, whether time is real, or if anything exists independently of observation, remember, these aren't abstract questions. They're the foundation of how we interpret life, knowledge, and our place in the cosmos. How do you define reality? Is existence limited to the physical, or is there more beneath the surface?